if you have a Toyota Hilux, Land Cruiser, Fortuner from 2015 with 1GD diesel engine, this video is worth watching. So if you ever concerns about your DPF warning light comes on dash and you losing power, this video is for you. So my main purpose of this video is show how I clean this DPF injector, which called fifth injector, on this Hilux with 1GD engine. So this vehicle has a issue with the DPF warning light comes on and off intermittently and losing power. So what is most common issue is blocking the fifth injector with excessive carbon soot. I think there are two different models depending on the fifth injector housing. There is an updated version that Toyota replacing this fifth injector if your car is under warranty. I don't know anything about if it is out of warranty what they do, but this car is out of warranty. Customer wanted me to clean the DPF injector, which is fifth injector, so that's why I'm carrying this repair. So stay tuned, just see how I clean this. So this is just the main purpose of showing how I clean this. So if you're attempting repair, do it your own. So you can use this procedure on your own risk. So here I have removed required connectors. There are 4 12mm nuts and took the full housing off. That hole where it is, with the new housing which Toyota replaces, you get bigger injector seating area. So that's the upgrade they've done. There's a bit of carbon inside the injector hole where the diesel sprays, and also the injector tip was clogged with carbon. So one advice, guys, when you clean the injector, do not use any sandpaper or anything where the injector tip is. Do not use any sandpapers. What I used to clean a degreaser and wipe it with a rag, it's a carbon clean degreaser. And also to clean inside the injector, I used injector cleaner chemical. So what I did was give power supply to the injector connector and also spraying into the injector at the same time when you give the power supply. So that way you can open and close the injector solenoid, and whatever the chemical what I spray through, that passes through the injector and clean inside just in case if it is blocked. I have another video that I replaced the fuel rail filter on the same car. It's because of this concern. So the injector and the injector housing pretty much clean, guys. So, and now the assembling process. So the good news is, after the repair that I carried out on this car, the problem is solved. So no DPF warning light, and the vehicle drives smoothly with good amount of power, which all Hiluxes should have. And at the time I uploading this video to YouTube, it's been a month which I recorded this video, so the vehicle is driving smoothly. So that's it pretty much. So the carbon clean is done. As I mentioned, so if you do it your own, do it carefully. If you don't know what to do, always recommend it, get a qualified mechanic to work on your car, because these high pressure diesel components as well. And if you damage, it's gonna cost a fortune, because these injectors are expensive. And from here on, I am not showing on this video how I install this into the engine. So it's the same procedure that how you remove. So you need to follow the removal procedure and install accordingly, step by step on backwards. That's it. Thank you for staying with this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thanks again.